Alright, I just did something that I think is pretty cool. So I got this shit. It's Russwin 3 lever, and apparently I have like the hardware and shit too. I didn't even realize. So just happened to be in the bottom of one of my lock boxes. I think I got it from a yard sale. Dude said he like did flea market stuff or something. I don't know. But yeah, I found this and I've never picked one until today. And so I rigged this thing up and I stuck it in there to actually I opened this up first, so I know how it works now. And then I made this so that I could not like that, but so that I could get in here and tension the bolt. And then, like, you can see it moves. That's how I know I'm in the right spot, right? And then I didn't really feel like figuring out how to make wire and stuff, so I just grabbed one of my picks and just kind of, I know where the levers are, so like just kind of go in there and poke around a little bit. Try not to push anything, too far, I guess. I guess you can never set these. But yeah, I just kind of picked around in here, tried a bunch of different things, and it did pop for me, so I'm attempting to replicate that for the camera, but not always the way things work. But yeah, it's interesting stuff. I like it. I'm like kind of sad that I didn't get to pick it for you, so I'm gonna give it one more try here. Yeah, I really do. There, I got it. I really do just, that was fun. And I like how big it is. Like, I got this big lock here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the screw off and show it to you. The levers do tend to go flying out of here. But, yeah, like, this thing is neat. I like the inside of this and how everything, it works together. And then you got your levers and stuff. And this is how I figured out how to pick it, because like all I really got to do is like lift these up, right, while keeping tension on the bolt, which is this. Which when I'm inside of there, I'm actually in this channel right here. And then if I can do it without the levers popping out, then you can move your bolt through the gate. Just gotta line it all up. Surely I've seen this before, just not in a lock, I guess. But it's neat. It is like a puzzle. So, yep, that's my limited exposure to lever locks and picking them. Fun. Alright, till next time. See ya.